Once you have an agent that works, the next problems are the boring but critical ones. Logging every call, blocking PII before it leaves your network, rate limiting per user, killing runaway loops. MAF handles these with middleware, functions that wrap around agent invocations and tool calls. They run before the agent receives input and after it produces output without ever touching the agent's own code. The mental image, a stack of transparent sleeves around the call. Each sleeve can inspect, modify, or short-circuit the request as it passes through. If you have used Express or FastAPI middleware, this is the same idea. There are two places it runs. Agent middleware wraps each agent.run call. Function middleware wraps each individual tool invocation. Both are functions that receive a context object and a next callable. Let me show the most common production middleware, a guardrail that scrubs secrets before they hit the model. You keep a list of regexes for common secret shapes, an OpenAI style key, an AWS access key, a GitHub token, a Slack token. A scrub function replaces every match with redacted and returns the clean text plus a list of what it caught for the audit log. Now the middleware itself, and notice its exact three-part shape. Step 1. Before the agent runs, you loop over the context messages and scrub each user message, mutating it in place. Step 2. You await next, which calls the rest of the chain and then the agent. Step 3. On the way back out, you scrub the result too, belt and suspenders in case the model echoed a secret that arrived through a tool result. Then you wire it in with middleware equals a list on the chat agent. Inspect, call next, inspect the result. Every middleware has that same skeleton. Now the part that quietly breaks systems, order matters. Middleware composes in the order you pass it. The first one wraps the outside, the last one wraps closest to the agent, exactly like nested function calls. So put auth and rate limiting first, cheap and fail fast, to reject bad requests before you spend cycles on anything else. Put mutating middleware like the scrubber before logging. Because if you log first, raw secrets land in your logs forever. The scrubber must mutate the input before the logger ever sees it. And keep cost and quota guards close to the agent where they have an accurate estimate of what is about to run. Function middleware is the same idea, narrower scope. It wraps tool calls, so you can audit every database write tool, logging user, tool, and arguments before it runs. One last warning, middleware can hide bugs. An overeager scrubber that nukes every $sign breaks legitimate financial questions. So test your middleware with the same rigor as your tools, a unit test for every redaction rule and every rejection. Inspect, call next, inspect again, stack the sleeves in the right order, and the boring concerns finally take care of themselves.